direction. Just where we'll point that bow, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? About that time of year. Actually, we're running about a week, 2 months late, something like that. Deer season, I don't know. I think the day is somewhere around the 10th. And deer season's been going on for probably 12 days. And I hadn't hunted. It's bow season, I hadn't hunted. Wasn't ready. Still not ready. But we finna get ready. Try to get my food plots planted today. And I'm gonna do a continuous thing on that. I'm gonna show you how it worked, what it was, all that. I'm gonna put a cage out here where we can actually see how high it gets. Got a soil test ordered. I'm gonna do a soil test, see if I can help it out. If there's anything cheap, you know, I'd throw on it or spray on it or anything to help it out. I'm gonna bring y'all on for all of that. But today we're just planting, trying to get the blind put up. I'm gonna plant this, I'm gonna plant the rifle range y'all seen in the videos before. I'm gonna try to get Cornbread to come over here and help me plant his and put that blind up. But there is no telling with him. Sunday morning early. We'll see. But I hope I get him back in the videos. People asked about him. He works a regular job. He's got a life. When I get him in the videos, he gets in the videos. When he doesn't, he doesn't. That's just part of it. Well, I'm planting this one. I'll bring y'all along on the time lapse. Maybe that's him. We just got text. I guess I ought to tell you what we're doing. We're doing top-notch fall wildlife mix and some steam rolled oats, which is crimped oats for those that don't know. I didn't realize this 50-pound bag would do 5 acres, so I bought that to help thin it out. Probably not gonna need much of that, but we're gonna mix it a little bit. This said it has, let me read. Hell, it's 30% oats anyway. 18% barley. 18% something I can't read. 14% graze mix. 9% Australian winter field peas. It's got some brassica and turnips, rapeseed, some kind of clover. 4% of other. 1.72% of inert matter, whatever that means. 0.6% seed coating. And 0.25% weed seed. We don't need that. So it's got an 80% germination rate on everything. Test date was 9/21. I didn't find anything bad with it. That's pretty neat. I think it's a local, yeah, they're out of Texarkana, Arkansas. Yeah. And Missouri. So I guess this will work in Texas and Missouri. How about that? Alright, we finna get to planting. What's up, Cornbread?
What's up?
What we finna do?
We been put your blind up.
Oh, hell. Where you been? Everybody been asking about you.
I'm sorry, but they've been working a dog out of me. Some people do have a real job.
Yeah, I got a real job, but it's pretty easy
Yeah, I hear you.
most of the time. What else we gonna do?
Plant some seeds.
Plant some seeds. Been sowing my seeds since I was a little kid. All right. We finna put you on time lapse while we set this blind up, where y'all can't see how long it really takes.
Ain't no hammer back here.
Say that again.
Why I always get stuck doing all the work?
Because you don't run the camera good. That and your back and knees are a little bit better now.
He's going to get a hammer. Something's killing my hand.
I figured it just go right the fuck in.
I did too. That was mine.
Close video out, Cornbread.
Yeah, right.
Well, we got everything planted. See if I'm in here. Got everything planted. Got the deer blind up. All we like is getting Cornbread to fill his fader up. Put his cameras out. Well, one of them's out. And then I put cards in.
And batteries.
And batteries.
And of course, I did a lot of work today for my old buddy Big John.
The only thing he did harder than me was get inside that blind and drive stakes, and he half-assed that.
You gotta do something.
He half-assed that. I got to remember to go down there and
You ain't gotta go but that much further. Hit a root.
hit a root with a rubber stake. Alright, y'all done made it this far in this cringy ass video. Y'all know what to do.
Good seeing y'all again.
Like, share, subscribe, and we gone.